Oranges. A single orange gives you almost a full day's vitamin C. Oranges are a refreshing low-calorie fruit to eat in your daily meal intake. It helps in the battle against weight loss and works as powerful detox food. Number 2. Bananas. Bananas have amazing health benefits ranging from cleaning your stomach and digestive system to boosting your sex drive. High in potassium and low in sodium, bananas help lower blood pressure, are great for your heart. Protects from diabetes, improves mood and helps in treating diarrhea. Number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are one of the most antioxidant-rich foods in the world. Blueberries are also high in vitamin C and fiber. Blueberries help prevent cancer, macular degeneration, diabetes and age-related memory changes. 4. Apples. Eating an apple each day can help to keep you healthy. Apples contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps us to feel fuller for longer time. Apples help create better health, especially in the areas of heart health, diabetes, cancer and brain health.